Hello learners. In this session of Computers and Communication, we will be learning about the following topics. First is network protocols and LAN, WAN, MAN. So let's begin. What is TCP or IP? There are various types of protocols that support a major and compassionate role in communicating with different devices across the network. These are Transmission Control Protocol. TCP is a popular communication protocol which is used for communicating over a network. It divides any message into series of packets that are sent from source to destination, and there it gets reassembled at the destination. Second is Internet Protocol. IP is designed explicitly as addressing protocol. It is mostly used with TCP. The IP address in packets help in routing them through different nodes in a network until it reaches the destination system. TCP/IP is the most popular protocol connecting the networks. Moving forward, let's see some other protocols. First is User Datagram Protocol. UDP is a substitute communication protocol to Transmission Control Protocol. It is implemented primarily for creating loss tolerating and low latency linking between different applications. Next is Post Office Protocol, which is designed for receiving incoming emails. The next is Simple Mail Transport Protocol, which is designed to send and distribute outgoing email. The next is FTP or File Transfer Protocol, which allows users to transfer files from one machine to another. Types of file may include program files, multimedia files, text files, and documents, etc. Now, important network protocols are, the first one is HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is designed for transferring a hypertext among two or more systems. HTML tags are used for creating links. These links may be in form like text or images. HTTP is designed on client-server principles, which allow a client system for establishing a connection with the server machine for making a request. The server acknowledges the request initiated by the client and responds accordingly. The next protocol is HTTPS, where S stands for security, and it is a standard protocol to secure the communication among two computers, one using the browser and other fetching data from web server. HTTP is used for transferring data between the client browser and the web server in the hypertext format. Same in case of HTTPS, except that the transferring of data is done in an encrypted format. So it can be said that the HTTPS thwart hackers from interpretation or modification of data throughout the transfer of packets. The next protocol is Telnet. Telnet is a set of rules designed for connecting one system with another. The connecting process here is termed as remote login. The system which requests for connection is the local computer, and the system which accepts the connection is the remote computer. The diagram represents the Telnet protocol. The next is Gopher. Gopher is a collection of rules implemented for searching, retrieving, as well as displaying documents from isolated sites. It also works on the client-server principle. Next is LAN, MAN, WAN. Let's begin with LAN or Local Area Network. A local area network is a private network that connects computers and devices within a limited area like a residence, an office, a building, or a campus. On a small scale, LAN are used to connect personal computers to printers. However, LANs can also extend to a few kilometers when used by companies where large number of computers share a variety of resources like hardware, software, and data. Next is MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a larger network than LAN. It often covers multiple cities or towns. It is quite expensive and a single organization may not have on it. Next is WAN or Wide Area Network. A wide area network is a much larger network than LAN and MAN. It often covers multiple countries or continents. It is very expensive and a single organization may not have on it. Satellite is used to manage WAN. The diagram on a global perspective represents WAN.